Next one, which one of the following numbers is not a square of a natural number? Something is not a square of a natural number. Now let us see. What are the logics? A perfect square. A perfect square, what are the two important concepts? A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square digital sum. A perfect square digital sum will always be. A perfect square digital sum will always be 1, 4, 7 or 9. 1, 4, 7 or 9. Any of these two logics we will check it out. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. First option 1, 7, 9, 5, 6. Let us use the digital sum. 9 is eliminated. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 19 digital sum is 1. This could be the possibility. Second one, 18225. 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. Digital sum 9. This could be the possibility. Right? Third one, 53361. Digital sum 6 plus 3, 9. 9. This could be the possibility. That means based upon this logic, only one number we are able to eliminate. Only one number we are able to eliminate. Right? So therefore, we will use another logic. Which of the following is not a perfect square of any natural number? We will use another logic. Now what is that logic? First one, 17956. 17956. Now see here. This is nothing but square root of 17956. Right? Because it is square root. Keep a slash after 2 digits. If I keep a slash after 2 digits, I got answer will have 4 at the end. 4 square is 16 or 6 square is 36. 179 lies between which two perfect squares? 13 square is 169. 13 square is 169 and 14 square is 196. So answer will be either 134 or 136. Answer will be either 134 or 136. Suppose if I take 135 into 135. 135 into 135. 5 5s are 25. 13 if I add 1. 14 13s are 14 3s are 42. 18225. 17956 is less than 18225. 18225. So answer for the first one is, this is nothing but the square of 134. 134. Now let me check for the second option. What is second option? Already we got 18225. Second option value is 135. So this is a square, this is a square, this is not a square. So answer for this question is 53361. Answer for this question is 53361. If you want to solve also, you can solve. Square root of 53361 is, keep a slash after 2 digits. 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. 533. 533 means where it will be. 21 square 441. 22 square 484. 23 square 529. So 231 and 239. 231 and 239. You can check it out if the digital sum is matching and everything. Suppose 231 whole square. 235 let us do. 235 into 235 will be 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 23 into, I think why we are doing all this, which of the following is not a square? Not a square means only one logic, right? Right? 63592. We are unnecessarily wasting our time doing this. Anyway, all the three we are trying to prove that they are perfect squares. So 23 into 24. 24 3s are 72. 2. 48. 48. 552. 552. So 235 whole square is 552, but I want 533. So answer for this question is 231. This is a square, This is a square and this is a square. C is not a square. Directly you can tell that 63592 is the answer, because a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Instead of telling that C is right, I try to tell you that all the other 3 are perfect squares. What if the option contains one more option? How to do it? I hope the logic is clear. Next one, the least number which is a perfect square, and is divisible by 16, 20 and 24. Now there are two conditions. N should be smallest. It should be a perfect square. And it should be divisible by 16, 20 and 24. 16, 20 and 24. What is the number that is divisible by 16, 20 and 24? LCM of 16, 20 and 24. I hope it is clear. LCM of 16, 20 and 24. First one, it should be a perfect square. Perfect square digital sum. A perfect square digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. A perfect square digital sum should be perfect 1, 4, 7 or 9. This is 7, this is 9, this is 1 and it is 9. All the options are satisfied. Now it should be LCM of 16, 20 and 24. 16, 20 and 24. Now let us do one by one. 16 with 20. 20 is not divisible by 16. What is the next multiple? 40. 40 is not divisible by 16. 60 is not divisible by 16. 80 is divisible by 16. So for this one, multiple I got is 80. So one is 24 and another is 80. One is 24, another is 80. First two multiple I got common is 80. 80 is not 80 and 24. You can do it in multiple ways. So what we'll do is, so this is nothing but, suppose for example, this is 4 into 6. Here it is nothing but 4 into 20. Here we can write it as 8 into 3. And here it is nothing but 8 into 10. 8 is common, take it out. 3 and 10 are co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime numbers is always a product. LCM of co-prime numbers is always a product. 3 tens are 30. So answer for this question is 240. It should be divisible by 240. It should be divisible by 240 and it should be a perfect square. It should be divisible by 240 and it should be a perfect square. Let us see, check which number it is divisible by 240. Suppose if I take 1600, 1600 is divisible by 240, 160 is not divisible by 24. If I take 6400 divided by 240, 640, 24 2s are 48, 160 it is not divisible. So this is out and it is out. We are stuck between 3600 and 14400. Now if you see 3600 is divisible by 240, 24 ones are 24, it is 15. This is also 14400, it is also divisible by 240. Now check it out. Which one is the question is the smallest number. Smallest number is nothing but among these four, 3600. Smallest number, it is nothing but 3600. This is the generic way. Best way is to check whether answer options are divisible by 16, 20 and 24. Now if you observe 1600 is divisible by 16. 1600 is divisible by 20. 1600 is divisible by 24. 24 6 are 144, 160. 1600 is not divisible by 24. So first option is out. Third option 6400. 16 it is divisible. 20 it is divisible. 24 you can check it out. Similarly you can check by using answer options. I hope the idea is clear. These 3600 should be divisible by 16, 20, 24 and it should be a perfect square because it's a smallest number. That itself is the answer because it is 60 whole square. Product of two positive numbers is next one. Product of two positive numbers. A is one number, B is another number. Product of two positive numbers is 2500. If one number is 4 times the other number, so it is nothing but 4b square equivalent to 2500. So b square is nothing but 625. So b is nothing but square root of 625, which is nothing but 25. Which is nothing but 25. I hope the idea is clear. You can check by using the digital sum logic also. You can check by using digital sum logic. Suppose if the question is square root of 625 equivalent to 25. Remove the square root. 625 equivalent to 25 whole square. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. 13 is 4. 2 plus 5 7, 7 square is 14 9. 4 plus 9 13, 1 plus 3 4. 4 equivalent to 4, it is matching. Square root of 625 equivalent to 125. 625 equivalent to 125 whole square. 8, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 13, which is 4. 7, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 square is 64, 6 plus 4 10, 1. 4 is not equivalent to 1. Similarly, you can use answer options also. You can do it. Square root of 625 cannot be 125. If 125 is not the square root of 625, how come 225 and 250 will be the option? I hope it is clear. Directly you can eliminate 250 because in square root it is 5. Which number on square I will get 5 at the end? 5 square is 25. So 0 is eliminated. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.